Hi everybody, my name is Sheilalandr. I'm an artist, designer, and teacher, and I work in all kinds of mediums. Let's see what we're going to work on today. So hi guys, today I want to do an unboxing. It's kind of a re-unboxing because I was gifted this wonderful subscription box from my dear friend Vera. She's in the States, I'm in Canada, and she had the box shipped to her, and we ship back and forth stuff. So I just got my box today, and this is from Erika Joanne Art. Erika does decorative painting with colored pencil and some mixed mediums and things like that. Her website is erikajoanne.com. I'll have a link in the description. And this is her first year of doing a 1-year subscription mixed media and beyond box. It's called Woodland Whimsey. And there are going to be 12 projects total that are going to be sent to you in 4 shipments. So we'll get 4 different boxes, and each box will have 3 months worth of projects for the 12 for the year. Now this is open until I think the end of March when you can get this box. And this is the first one. And it has, I've seen it before, so I'll be honest with you, I've seen it, but I thought it would be nice to unbox it here for you guys too, because where I've seen it is on YouTube here, and you guys might not be subscribed to some of those channels, and I just want to show you my take on it. So let's get to opening the box. So the first thing is, which, like I said, I've opened and seen it because I saw the video, and I was talking to my friend Vera, and I was saying how much I liked it. And you guys know I do my own patterns and kits and things like that, but I can't help but wanting to create with other teachers and that. And Erika Joanne is one of my favorite. She uses colored pencil and acrylic paint. So that's going to be really fun to kind of learn a new technique and see how she teaches. So anyway, the box, this is how the box would come. Mine was within a box, and it's got all the little woodland creatures on it, which is adorable. And I will open it, and it has Let the Magic Begin. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to make magic here. And everything was packed so nice, and there was a little card with my name on it, but Vera, I guess she has that. She's going to send that in the next shipment because she checked everything out for me to make sure that everything was here. So first of all, we get a welcome gift, and her pieces are laser cut and they're laser etched. So you don't have to transfer on it. You guys know I cut wood, but you know, I don't have a laser, so I don't do etching or that. I just do it the old-fashioned way. And it's a little ornament, and it's got the little twine and beads, so it'll match the theme. And it looks like there's a little dot in there, and I think she said it goes for the center of the flower to give it a little dimension. So that's going to be fun. That's just an extra little gift for us to play with. So I'm going to have a good time with that. We put our own spin and colors on it. And here's a list of when the dates are that the videos are going to be shown, because every project will be fully explained and demonstrated through videos on a Facebook group. There's a members only private Facebook group that you can join, and there's a members only private web page you can join on her site, where if you want to buy extra pieces, I guess she's not going to release these pieces for about a year, so we'll have access. If we want to buy more pieces from her, we can get that being members. And we'll have a group where we can share and ask questions and show our work, which is really nice. So we'll put that aside. This is the first project, and I've seen people doing this already. It's a Lancashire moth, and it comes with a laser piece. It's bigger than I thought. I thought it was about like that. Very nice size. And it has little doodads like the ornament here. I guess that's going to be the theme for the ornament. And the twine. So it comes with instructions, and I'll take out these instructions for you so we can see. I've never gotten written instructions. Erika has a lot of downloadable instructions, and I've played with those, and I've made some of her projects. Oh, look how nice. Look at the nice close-up photos. That's really nice. It's on high quality. Looks like professionally done photos. And they look really nice and step by step. So shading diagram. They look really nice, like they're going to be detailed, like her other ones are. I've had her other ones, like I said. And I've really found no problem at all following along. Sometimes I go off on my own, but that's me. I do that all the time anyway. So that's going to be our first project, and I'll show that in my blog when I do it. Maybe I'll get it done before Sunday. I write a blog every Sunday, and I'll link to that too. And you can see how mine comes out. I take some pictures. The mushroom, I don't know if the mushroom's going to be the second or the third project, but we'll have to see. I wonder if it's on the schedule here. Nope, it just says what part. Okay, so anyway, this is a mushroom twilight, and look how cute this is. This is nice. I see bling in there. Eric's like me, we both like our little bit of bling. She gives you little rhinestones. This is so cool because everything is included. This is awesome. And look, she has a little easel here. So we can stand that up. And this is the tile that we're going to be painting our mushroom on, I guess. And that's going to go on the easel, and then you can change it out. I like stuff you can change out because I don't have a lot of room, but I like to change for the seasons. So this is nice because this looks like about 4 by 4 inches for those in the States. And it's what, 10 centimeters? Yeah, 10 centimeters for us here in Canada and Europe. And, you know, you could put anything you want on there. You know, you could have a place for the little easels. I was going to do some artwork like that too because I've been trying to do a little bit more painting and, you know, a little less wood cutting, and I want to do stuff that you can change out. And because I know, you know, you don't want to put 52,000 holes in your wall, but if you have a place, and then you can switch out stuff. So anyway, this is a little magic mushroom. This is going to be cute. It says watercolor paper, so maybe I missed that. Maybe we do this on paper and decoupage it, because I know she likes to do that. She has these really cute little blocks with letters and things, and she decoupages, so that'll be good because I like to learn to do that. And then here's supplies. Wow, look at the brushes. Holy smokes. These are very nice. I know Erika's worked with Jo Sonia, and Vera, who had gotten me the box, had just given me for Christmas a set of Jo Sonia paint, the acrylic. And I got the startup set, the beginning mixing set, and I'm going to be doing some videos on using them because I've been pretty disappointed in the company that I've been using. They keep switching out colors and discontinuing, and it makes it real hard as somebody who writes a pattern when the colors are no longer available after a year or two. So I wanted to use like a basic mixing set of acrylics and see how I can do with toning colors. So this will get me well on my way. But these brushes look beautiful, don't they? They're these are the Sure Touch Oval Wash and Detailer There's some rounds and detailers. There's a flat wash too, which is nice. So those are nice. And then this looks like mediums. I don't know what the N is. Maybe naphtha crimson or naphtha red. Maybe that color wasn't included in the paints here. And then the F might be float shading medium, and the S would be the satin stain maybe. So these are Jo Sonja products. And then she gave us 10 Prismacolor Premier pencils, which are really good pencils. It's not a cheap brand, and they're highly regarded. So we're going to be using those in our designing, in our painting. And then let's see what this bag is. I didn't even open this yet. This is PVA glue, so that's good. We could always use glue. And this is Jo Sonja Fast Drying Glaze. I've used their other glazes. I've used their Magic Mix, and I'm going to be using some of their other glazes. Like I said, I'm kind of migrating over to Jo Sonja products, so this will be really nice for me. That's another reason why I wanted to really join this. And let's see, ooh, glitter. Sparkles. We always like that. And look how nice she packaged it, so even going through customs and all. And then this is like a rubber, looks like a squeegee. So maybe for either spreading the mediums or when we decoupage, we're going to use it. It's like a rubbery thing in aqua. And then look at all the paint. Now these are their smaller tubes. They have bigger tubes, but like for me, I paint light. These will last a long time. She has her own signature set with them. She's worked with Jo Sonja a lot. And these are acrylic paints. So as I said, I'm going to try to mix some of them. And there's titanium white, warm white, opal, brown earth, carbon black. This is her Cascade set. She's from, I think, Oregon. So she's in the Pacific Northwest. So this one's called the Northwest set. Bisque, Turner Yellow, Brilliant Magenta, Colonial Blue, and Pine Green. And then Manchester set, Pacific Blue. These are like watercolors, as in ocean type colors. Pacific Blue, Phthalo Blue, Aqua, Yellow Green, and Brilliant Green. So this will be really nice to use with my other paints. Some of them I have already, but that's great because then I'll have more. And look at that. You get like 15 paints, 10 pencils, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beautiful brushes, and these mediums. That's awesome. This is an awesome box. And the next thing is, I think this project's my favorite of the 3 because I love bunnies. It's called Bonnie Briar. And it's rabbits, and I could see the package of bling in there. And I do believe it goes on this little frame that she put in here. Let me get my scissors. And this is cool because it has the lines, and you glue the frame down, and this is a spacer. I saw somebody do this, the other girl that did the unboxing. And then you glue this one on top, so you have a frame that you could slide in. I don't know if you could see, there's a little opening, so you could slide your picture in. And then you can switch that out, and it's got hanging holes, so you can go portrait or landscape. So that's really cool. That's the type of thing I was talking about, where you could, this looks like about 5 by 7, so you can paint on a 5 by 7, even like an 1/8 inch, board that you get from the dollar store, and I bet that would slide in there. And here's the Bonnie Briar, and this one is done, I believe, on watercolor paper. I'm going to take it out. Here's the color picture and some steps, and here's some close-ups. Oh, see, she put the little, the jewels are all here on the flowers. It's going to be so pretty. And the little dandelion. Oh, here we go. And look, you get 2 sizes of this. This is watercolor paper, so that's cool. So this will look really nice. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to scan this in, because I have an Epson printer that feeds in the back, and I can print on watercolor paper. So I can scan these in before I paint them, and then make more copies if I want to make more. And the little one, I think this one, just see, it slides in. Once this is all glued, it'll slide in, and then we can change it. So you can paint the frame to match your room, and then switch out the little designs, and then you got an extra. And of course, it has all the instructions, and line work, if you want to try anything on your own. So wow, that is impressive. I was thinking of doing some subscription things for my people that follow me too, but they'll be different than this, of course. But isn't this a nice example? That's why I was looking at subscriptions. I guess a lot of people like that, where they have themes and videos to follow. And I was thinking of doing something like that too, but not like this. It'll be different. But I am going to have a lot of fun with this. And I'll be showing it in my blog as I make each project. And if you want to sign up, there's still plenty of time. You can go to erikajoanne.com, ErikaJoanne.com, and she has patterns, she has the boxes, she has downloadable patterns, all kinds of stuff like that. I'm going to leave this till I finish up here. And I just want to thank Erika. Like you could see, she put so much work into this. Every single thing is done like top notch. She's going to just do so well with it. And she's such a nice, wonderful person. From what I've seen, and I've talked with her, I've known her and of her for several years through a course that Kelly Hornig had made. That's when I first saw Erika's designs, and I've been following her for years, and I think this is just an awesome presentation, and it's gonna really get people excited about painting, and that's what we want to do, right? We have such a crappy world sometimes that it's so nice to just escape and do pretty things. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. You know, go show Erika some love. Tell her that you saw it here, so she knows that I'm sending you to her. And I hope you had fun looking through this box with me. I can't wait to get at it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.